Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
My name is Nomvuyo. My surname is Singapi. I have a company which is called Norris Deco and Events Management. I work from home, which is in New Brighton, 7274 Ferguson Road. That's in New Brighton, Port Elizabeth. I started my business in 2020 because there was a COVID and we didn't have much to do. We were staying at home, most of the people. So I decided to play around with things that I had in the house. Okay, I do deco and events management, starting from planning the event. We do deco on funerals because these days funerals also, we've moved away from the olden days where funerals were not decorated. You know, people were focusing on the death, and also we do events for the deco. We do kiddies party, high-end kiddies party. We do birthdays, we decorate for birthdays. If people want to celebrate and have good memories on their birthdays, we do that on. We also do deco for lobola negotiations and welcoming of abayeni, which is the in-laws. We do imigidi, the kids when boys or young men coming back from the bush. We also do deco because nowadays it is what is popular. Now people that have got money, they do deco. Even though that those that do not have money, they also do deco. You don't have to be rich to do deco because we can cater for your own pocket. People should choose, or clients should choose my business because I do stay on the site. I don't just do deco and leave and come back to pick up. I do stay on the site so that if there's anything that goes wrong, I can immediately fix it. And also if there's, we've got glasses. If there's any breakages, I bring extra. As much as people have hired, let's say an event has got 200 people, I don't only bring 200, I bring extra so that if there's any eventualities, I can be of service and I'm already on the site. People that want to do walk-ins, they can go to number 7274 Ferguson Road. That's Thembaletu in New Brighton. That's where they can get me telephonically. My number is 60063 627 3849. That's the number they can get. Get hold of me. My email address, those that want to email their request, their call request, it's zingisingapi@gmail.com. I have a Facebook page. The Facebook page is Norris Deco. Norris Deco and Events, and also Instagram page, it's Norris Deco and Events. That's how you can get hold of me. Hi, my name is Nomvuyo. I'm a township entrepreneur.